What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Welcome to those of you who joined over the weekend. On this YouTube channel, I basically upload a video anytime that I make a move in any of the portfolios, whether that's with stock, options, or crypto. So if you see a video from me, it means that something's been done that day, and providing an update on the moves that I made. If you guys could smash that like button, it will really help the little channel, as well as make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. For those of you who haven't gotten my free options blueprint yet, if you still want that, that'll be free to the next 700 or actually 600 and some subscribers. Once we get to 1,000, that will not be free anymore. So if you want that, just send me a DM on Instagram. All right, so we are up $1,700 today. Looking at the main movers of the account, here's the stocks from largest to smallest positions. Amazon flirting with 200, nice up move, 2% today. Microsoft up 2%, Tesla up 6%, CrowdStrike up 2%, Enphase down 2% again, Shopify down 2%, Palantir up 2%, and Meta was flat. Cash positions sitting at 38,000, so we're ready to buy the dip. As far as the moves in the stock portfolio today, the first thing I did for July 1st was sell 10,995 of DraftKings. This was basically a swing trade, and so it came back to my break even. So I sold this for like a 1% gain or so. I'm someone who's not willing to just let a position go negative if I don't have high conviction in it. So stopped out of DraftKings basically for a small profit. Then I sold Shopify, $58 puts, 2 contracts, and collected $258. And then I sold $33 DraftKings puts and collected $273. So with brokerages other than, I guess, for instance, Robinhood, you do not have to sell these shares in order to close the call. So I've still created, if we're looking at DraftKings now, I still have the $43 calls. But if you were on Robinhood, you would have had to close out those calls in order to sell the shares. So basically with that $33 put, now we've created a strangle on DraftKings with a $33 put and a $43 call. So if the stock expires by August 2nd in between those, then that's the ideal scenario. If it breaches one of those, then I'll close one and manage the other. Looking at the recent options plays, Celsius, now we're down only 1%. Enphase, we have the strangled 95 puts and 105 calls. So we're actually down on both of those as of right now. Intel, we have the $28 puts that we're up 24%. Palantir, we have some July 12th, 23 calls that we'll have to manage in the near future. PayPal, 57 puts, we're down 18%. Shopify, we've now created a strangle with $58 puts and $67 calls. Nothing to do there yet. SoFi still have 6.5 puts, down 32%. And the Tesla strangle, we're down on both of those as well with 205 puts and a 215 calls, but nothing to manage yet. All right, looking at the crypto portfolios, we have the Bitcoin wallet up to 35,000. Pretty much flat today. Had some nice movements last night though. And then with the altcoin portfolio, we have 28,000 sitting in here with Solana, Dogecoin, and Shiba. Haven't been able to get everything over here yet because we're still waiting on the funds on the exchange to finish settling. So we've got Cardano and Solana, an additional 12,000 over here that will get moved over by the end of the week. And so everything will be in one portfolio there, which will be nice. And then Brett had a nice update today. So it went from about 1,000 to 1,200, so up almost 20% on the day on the meme coin portfolio. So definitely looking good there. And then little Robinhood. So we got the SoFi January of 2026 calls that we're down 21% on. And then luckily, even though the funds didn't settle, I was able to turn on margin, and I was able to buy another 5,000 of Celsius today. So now I've got 10,129 in Celsius for an average cost of $57.96, and so feeling really great about that one. So I'm tapping into $5,000 of margin on this portfolio, but the $5,000 is already on its way in order to fix the margin situation. It just hasn't settled yet. And the instant deposit funds, I don't have any more of that. To basically, Robinhood is putting a 5,000 limit on me, so I can't deposit any more money on that right now. Looking at stocks on my radar: Alibaba, Nike, Riot, BitX, SoFi, PayPal, Snow. I'm going to go ahead and take off after this big rally, and then Intel. So these are all companies that I might be making moves on in the near-term future. All right, that's pretty much it as far as today. Quite a few moves. I did buy an additional $2,000 worth of Solana over the weekend. So crypto is still my main play for the next 12 months. Stock market is pretty overbought right now, and the crypto market, especially altcoins, are pretty oversold right now. So those will be my main additions over the summer, and then hopefully we get a monster crypto run to end the year and move into 2025. If you guys have any questions, just put it in the comments. I'll try to get to all of them, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Take care, and God bless.